Hey guys, John of Fix Fence. Have I got something to show you today? My goodness, you're gonna like this. Well, maybe not. I don't know. I'm liking it because it finally came in. You know, after a long time, I've been waiting. I paid for it. I've been waiting and waiting. I've inquired about these things, and it's nice to finally add them to the line here of drones. Check that out, huh? That little baby boy right there. Little controller, lightweight. Takes three AAA batteries. I got a drone here, and look at how. I'm telling you, it shows it on the video on Facebook. They're a lot bigger than this, from what I see. Not unless the camera's making it look bigger, but and it's kind of shaky in here too. There's something moving in here. So anyway, I got some stuff to figure out on this. I got my captain coming over tomorrow, and I'm gonna have him. We're gonna put this together. I can probably put it together, but that's not what the video is about. I just wanted to show you guys what you get for 99 bucks. You know, fortunately, it came. It took me a while, man. I had to inquire like 3 different times with these guys, and they were saying that it was delayed because of some kind of shipping process. You know what's going on out there in America. You know, obviously now with the shipping delays, we got all because of the truckers out there. Everybody's on the road, so you know, just hold on, guys. We'll get through this, right? The convoy's got to get through, but. Anyway, so I got these things here finally, and but yeah, it was like 3 different inquiries. So finally, they said, "Hey, you know what? It's coming. It's coming." They found the container off the bottom of the Indian Ocean there, you know, and they picked it up and they dried everything off. But anyway, yeah, buyer beware. It's tough running a business nowadays offline, you know, especially if they're not going to send you the right of things that they say they're going to send you, you know, or what it says or shows what it shows, you know, and then when it gets here, it's a whole different ball game. You know, kind of like those big old, you know, pallets and big packages, right? They were going to send all these different, uh, what, electronic gadgets and games and whatnot, you know, and we were going to do that for Christmas. I bought 2 of them, right? Now, and I thought for sure that I was going to get a big old package, a couple big packages, right? You know, I got 2 packages, right? And it had like a smartwatch in there, some other couple stupid things, you know, and I was like, what the? Well, obviously they sent it to us, but it wasn't what it said it was in the ad. So again, you guys be careful out there what we're getting, you know. I mean, you read it, you know. I mean, I'm sure you're probably laughing. Ah, you got ripped off. You got ripped off. Yeah, you know what? I bet you did too. You know, but that it's the way it goes. You know, and it's not my fault that those people are screwing us over. You know, what the hell? Why are they doing it to us? You know, oh, because they can. Well, you know, just start running an honest business, you know, and get the merchandise here and get it to us what you say you're going to get it to us. If it's going to be a big, nice, badass drone, you know, make it, you know, the size it's supposed to be instead of a little toy, you know. I mean, that's all I'm saying. I don't know about you guys, but I don't think it's very fair, you know. But I'm not the one calling the shots, other than the calling shots right here. I'm gonna make this work though. We're gonna. I got the boundary air photography, so I'll put it to use somehow, some way, somehow. We'll get this up in the air. We'll figure out what the pictures look like, and maybe I'll give you a video of what that looks like too. So, but yeah. It's a toy. It's a toy, and it's so lightweight. I thought for sure that it was going to be something, you know, extravagant like a Phantom 3, Phantom 4. Wouldn't that been cool? But anyway, it's a little copy. All right, John Fix Your Fence. Keep smiling.